Thursday, guys. Driving in, gonna have a live. I had family in town, so I wasn't able to do it on the typical day, but we are getting it in regardless. Sometimes you got to move things around, guys. It's okay. My name is Zeno Lancaster. I'm the owner of Lancaster Law Firm. We have offices in Asheville, Hendersonville, and Canton, North Carolina. We are here to help with your North Carolina real estate needs, commercial, residential closings, real estate questions, anything like that. We've got 4 attorneys on staff, a huge paralegal team, the best paralegal team, by the way, if anyone cares about that sort of thing. We search title in-house, all that sort of stuff. So reach out to us if we can help. Today I'm here to talk about referral partnerships. You guys all have preferred lenders you like to work with, attorneys, inspectors, painters, surveyors, anything, house cleaners, environmental scientists, all kinds of things that you have in your book to call if you need them, and you have dependable ones. And the smart ones out there, smart realtors, have some really good ones in their bag, and they ask each other for suggestions and that sort of thing, and that's great. We should be talking about professionals in this industry. We should be lifting each other up when we know of folks that are good at what they do. So what I want to talk to you today about is I get at least once a week, sometimes more, an email or a text or a Facebook message or whatever from people saying, hey, Zeno, I've got a real estate question for you. Well, great. That's what I do. And they ask me, and it's, I have a deal, and they're wanting to amend the contract, or I have a deal, and it's a week before closing, and we have an issue with the road, something like that. And the first thing I ask them is, that doesn't ring a bell. Is this a contract that I'm closing for you? And it always goes like this. No, for one of 5 reasons. The borrower wanted to use their last closing attorney, or right now I'm working with so-and-so, and I've been sending my stuff over to them, or they wanted to use the seller's attorney, or the seller wanted to use the buyer's attorney, or whatever. Guys, and it always goes this way. Well, okay, just know that I don't represent the client, so I can't give them advice. And I always ask, what's the attorney you've reached out to telling you? Well, we can't really get an answer from them, so I just wanted to reach out and see if you could help me. Well, guys, I can help you, but you guys wouldn't be waiting if you had just used me to begin with. And I'm not just talking about me. This happens when people use a different lender than the ones they have a good relationship, a different surveyor, everything. And I realize that people are going to comment below, well, the client chooses, and that's true. And sometimes you can't help it. I get it. But this whole list 3 attorneys and list 3 lenders, guys, if someone wants a steak in Asheville, I send them to my favorite steak place. I don't say choose between these 3. The second and third are nowhere near as good as the first, but I wanted to make sure you had 3 restaurants. That's insanity. Send your people to the people you love. There's nothing wrong with it. There's no reason not to. Please comment below if you think I'm missing something there. Look, if I have a good lender, I'll tell people to shop around if they want to shop around, if they care about that sort of thing. But if I have a client say, Zeno, who's the lender that's best that you're working with right now, and things go up and down. Who's the best? Who would you use if it were you? I'm going to tell them. That's what they asked for. Your clients aren't asking you, give me your best option and give me 2 worse options. Why would a client ever ask you for that? You give them the best option. Now, of course, if the best option can't take on the work or something, I guess then you can give them others. But guys, here's what's happening. The folks are given these 3 options. The clients choose number 2 or 3, and they're not answering questions. Guys, if you're going to insist on giving 3 options, make sure the 3 options will answer your questions. Otherwise, take them off your list. I can give you 2 other attorneys right now if you have to have them that will answer your questions that aren't in my office. I'll be happy to do that. So make sure, because I can't help you when you reach out to me, and of course, I want to be able to help you. I want to be able to answer your questions, and that you have lenders and surveyors and inspectors and great professionals out there that want to be able to answer your questions. but it doesn't help a whole lot if you send it the work somewhere else and then need them on the back end. And again, some of you probably say that's crazy. That I can't believe that's happening. It happens multiple times a month, at least once a week. So just keep that in mind. Again, if it's me, I'm telling someone where to go eat steak. I'm not saying try these 3 places. Pick. Good luck. May God have mercy on your soul. I'm telling them go eat steak here. Go get your lending here. Go get your attorney here. And it is what it is. They're always welcome to shop around. They may choose differently. You can throw that out there, but I think there is nothing wrong with saying, if it were me, I would use this person. That's going to help your clients more than giving them 3 options, confusing them, and giving them 2 worse options than the best. Just my opinion. So please comment below what you think about this. I would love to hear why I'm right, why I'm wrong, what you guys out there choose to do in this kind of with this kind of thing. For those of you that are giving 3 options, do you see different service levels amongst your 3? And if so, why do you keep doing it? I would sincerely. Some folks may have a good reason for it. I would like to hear it so we can discuss it. Guys, have a great week. Again, my name is Zeno Lancaster. 3 offices. Follow us on Instagram. I'm at flying_casual. At Lancaster Law Firm is my firm. Please invite people that would benefit from this group to the group. We're almost to 900. I would love to get to 900. That would be amazing. Thank you all for participating in the comments and the group. Hope you have a great week. Hit us up with questions. Zeno at LancasterLawFirm.com is my email. Real estate, all one word, at LancasterLawFirm.com is our file intake email address, because I know somebody out there has a contract to send over. We are offering half off attorney fees if you haven't worked with us before. If you're a realtor that hasn't worked with us before, half off for your client. Imagine their surprise and happiness there. It's a no-brainer, guys. So hit us up with questions. We'll see you soon.